crimes against women saw over 63% rise in 2021 so far.
Crime against women in the capital increased by 63.3% in the first 6 months of 2021 as compared to 2020. Data shared by Delhi Police showed.
Heinous crimes.
The data states that rape cases saw an increase of 43% from 580 till June 15 last year to 833 this year. Molestation jumped by 39% from 733 to 1022. Kidnapping of women from 1026 to 1580. Abduction of women from 46 to 159. And dowry deaths from 47 to 56. Heinous crime figure, till June 15, has come down marginally from 2,436 to 2,315. In the first 6 months this year, the city recorded 7 cases of dacoity, 196 murder, 295 attempt to murder, 940 to robbery, 35 riot cases, and 7 kidnapping for ransom. In the corresponding period last year, Delhi witnessed 4 cases of dacoity, 226 murder, 236 attempt to murder, 701 robbery, 681 riot cases and 8 kidnapping for ransom, the data stated. It's pertinent to note that the number of riot cases came down significantly this year as communal riots broke out in Northeast Delhi in February last year following Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests.
Rise in crimes against women.
According to the data, the number of non-heinous crimes has increased by 8.5%. Till June 15 this year, a total of 1,20,980 cases of non-heinous crime have been reported while the number stood at 1,11,419 last year. The data showed there were 1,217 more cases of snatching reported in 2021 as compared to 2021 with 3,829 cases of snatching this time and 2,612 in last year. The total number of cases of hurt, burglary, motor vehicle theft, and house theft stood at 493, 1,173, 15,667, and 938 respectively as compared to 421, 839, 13130, and 875 last year. The data showed that fatal and non-fatal accidents rose from 392 and 1,260 cases in 2020 to 449 and 1,497 cases this year, respectively.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Rajesh Sahai, and I am part and a consultant of UPSC Lounge. We are going to train you. We are going to train you to ensure and assure that you get through the IAS. How are we different from the rest of the people? See, I have a note in front of me. I have crushed this note. It's a 500 rupee note. I open this note and I make it absolutely straight. The wrinkles and the crinks in this note have been removed. Right? The value of the note remains. You are the value, and we are going to dig deep into you. Absolutely dig deep. And what does the dig stand for? D is our training is going to be deliberate, inspired, and G, we will make you grow. It is going to be a life-changing experience. I spent 40 years in the army. I have learned the tricks of the trade. I am also a board member of the UPSC, and I have been an examiner of all the CSE papers, so I know what is required. Join us and you shall make it. That is my assurance. Jai Hind.